Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Abdul Hanan and you are watching Study Wali class. Students, in this lecture we are going to study about the couple, which is the torque due to the couple. So first of all, it is my request to please comment, like and share my videos, and also subscribe to my channel Study Wali class and press the bell icon for the future notifications. So the first of all, so what is that couple? So the couple is like when the two are equal and the opposite forces. Okay, the two equal and the opposite forces, when they act on the same body and they have the different line of action, then the couple produce in the body. In this definition, so the important points are that the forces are in number and they have equal and opposite. They are equal in magnitude and they have the opposite direction. And the second point is that they act on the same body. Third point is that they have the different line of force. So what is the line of force? So the line of force is the imaginary line in the direction of the force. Okay? So this is the imaginary line which is in the direction of the force. So to understand the couple concept, we have the two diagrams here. So the first is in first diagram there are two forces. The one is the normal force and the second one is the weight, and they have the equal magnitude, okay, which is the 50 Newton, okay, and they have the opposite direction, but their line of action is not different, okay, because they have the same line of force. The line of action of force, that is the imaginary force, in the direction of the force. So they have the same line of action. So that's why there is not torque produced in this scenario. Okay, so in the next diagram we have the two forces, okay, and these two forces are equal in magnitude, which is 2 Newton, and they are also opposite in direction, okay, and they have also the opposite, the different line of action, because this F2 force, the line of action is towards the downward, okay, and for the F1 the line of action is in the upward direction, okay. So the line of action are different in this case, so that's why the torque is produced due to couple. Next we have the formula of the torque due to couple. So the formula is that the couple arm multiplied by magnitude of 1 of force, okay. So what is the couple arm? So the couple arm is a perpendicular distance between the line of action of forces. So the line of action of forces, we know that these are the two line of action of forces. So the point is that the perpendicular distance between them, okay. So in this scenario, if we have to draw the perpendicular distance, so the perpendicular distance is somewhat, that is the perpendicular distance is this. So this perpendicular distance between these two line of action of forces is the couple arm, okay. So multiplying both these quantities, we obtain the torque due to couple, okay. So the torque due to couple is the L, small l multiplied by F, where the L is the couple arm, okay. So the next we have the problems, okay. So the first problem is that the two forces are acting on the body, which are equal in magnitude and they are opposite in the direction, okay, and they also have the different line of action of the forces, and the couple arm between them is the 2 meter, which is given, and they are making the 30-degree angle this slope. So we have to find the couple due to arm. So the first of all, from this formula, we know the force, the magnitude of the one force, which is the 2 Newton, but we don't know the couple arm, okay, because the couple arm in this case, the couple arm is not at the 90 degree, is not perpendicular between the line of action of forces. So we have to make some line that will make the 90-degree angle between the two line of action of the forces. So by drawing the straight line between these 2 points, okay, so these 2 points, we obtain the 90-degree angle. So this is the couple arm. So we have to find this component of this angle. So we know that the trigonometric component which is opposite to the theta angle is the sine theta. So in this case, the couple arm we have obtained is the L sine theta. Okay, so this is the couple arm L sine theta. Okay, by putting in the formula the sine theta component of the couple arm L sine theta multiplied by force, we know the magnitude of the L is the 2, the sine theta, the theta is the 30 degree, and we have the force the 2 Newton. Okay, so the sine theta value is 1/2. We know this. 2 multiplied by 1/2 multiplied by 2 is the 2. This is the torque due to couple in this case. Okay, so in the next case we have the two forces. Okay, so these two forces are equal and are also opposite, and they have also the different line of action of forces, and the couple arm is 2 meter, which is making an angle of 60 degrees. So in this case we have to draw some line that is perpendicular between these two lines. So by further increasing these two line of action of the forces, and by making the line which is between these two line of action of the forces, and we know that the angle between these two line of the forces is the 90 degree. In this case, the component of the couple arm is the one which is perpendicular to this line of action of the forces. So which is this component, which is the x component. In the trigonometric component, it is the cos theta. So component of the couple arm in this case is the L cos theta. By multiplying with the force the 2 by putting the values in, so the L is the 2 and the cos theta is the cos 60 degree, and the force is the 2, and the 2 value of the cos 60 is the 1/2. So so the answer to this case, so to this problem, is the 2 Newton meter, which is the torque due to couple. Okay, so in the next case we have the two line of action of the forces. Okay, which are having the which are equal in magnitude, and they are opposite in direction. Okay, and they have also different line of action of the forces, and in this case couple arm is the 2 meter, which is making a 30 degree with this force. So also in this case we have to obtain that component of the couple arm which is making the 90 degree between these two line of action of the forces. So by further increasing these two lines, and by making by making a perpendicular line to this point, from this point A to this point B. Okay, so we have obtained the 90 degree perpendicular, and in this scenario this is this component of the couple arm we have required in this case. Okay, so we know that the trigonometric component of the couple arm which is opposite to this angle 30 degree is the y, which is the y which is showing the sine theta. Okay, so the sine theta in this case, so by putting the L sine theta multiplied by the force the 2 sine 30 degree, so the value of the sine 30 degree in this case the sine value is the 1/2, and multiplying by the 2, and the couple due to the torque is the 2 Newton meter. Okay, so these are some of the problems for your understanding and for your better grip. Okay, so the next we have the MCQs. So this MCQs is that if the distance of a point, okay, of a point from the pivot is I, okay, and is applied such that it passes from a pivot, then the torque produced in the body will be alpha 0 beta if sin theta. Charlie is the if sin theta, and the delta is the if. So for this MCQs, first of all, in this MCQs the point So this MCQs is just is as this MCQs is same just like this diagram. So if we suppose that this is the point and this is the point, and from this MCQs, the point and the pivot, so the distance between the point and the pivot is just like that the line between them is passing from the pivot. Okay, so this line is passing from the pivot from this point A. Okay, so we have to find that what is the torque between them. So we know that if there is, because we know that there is no couple arm, so the couple arm which is the perpendicular between, so which is the perpendicular distance. So there is not couple arm, there is not a perpendicular distance, and the force is just passing through this pivot. So that's why there is not torque, because the couple arm is the 0, and 0 multiplied by force obtain so the 0 multiplied by the force is 0. So that's why the correct option to this MCQs is the alpha option, which is the 0 torque. Okay, it is my request to please like, share and comment my videos, and also subscribe to my channel Study Wali Class, and press the bell icon for the future notifications. So until my next video, take care of yourself, family members, stay healthy, and Allah Hafiz.